Observation: price is currently hovering at almost exactly at the VWAP core. Short-term momentum is aggressively bullish, evidenced by a perp CVD slope of an strong _bull_ momentum delta divergence. Hypothesis: this is a classic liquidity hunt, mean reversion pullback. Smart money is likely triggering short-term stop losses of early shorts to build liquidity before resuming the HTF bearish trend. H bias remains bearish. Devil's advocate: the strong positive CVD slope and buy pressure suggest this might not be a simple pullback but a potential trend reversal. If price breaks and holds above the HEMA, the short thesis is invalidated. Verdict: despite short-term noise, the HTF structure is still bearish and the RR ratio remains highly favorable. According to diamond hand discipline, we hold until the hard SL is hit or the TP is reached. No physical evidence of a structural trend shift yet. Observation: current price is slightly above VWAP core. Short-term momentum is aggressively bullish. Spot CVD slope and perp CVD slope are both positive, with delta divergence signaling strong bull momentum. Hypothesis: this is a classic liquidity hunt, short squeeze. Smart money is pushing price upward to clear out early shorts and test the HEMA before resuming the HTF bearish trend. Devil's advocate: the strong CVD slope suggests real buying pressure. If price closes decisively above, the bearish thesis is invalidated. However, OB remains slightly skewed to the sell side, suggesting limit orders are still absorbing the market buys. Verdict: the RR ratio remains healthy at. According to diamond hands discipline, we do not panic exit during a short-term squeeze. Hold the position until the hard SL or TP is triggered. Observation: price is currently flirting with the SL at. However, a critical divergence is present. Perp CVDM slope is strongly negative, while price is ascending, and order flow indicates potential _bearish absorption. Hypothesis. This is a classic liquidity hunt. Smart money is absorbing the buy-side pressure to trigger short stop losses before initiating the actual downward move toward the value area low, VAL. Devil's advocate, the risk is a breakout above the HEMA. If price closes above, the bearish absorption thesis fails and the trend shifts to bullish. Verdict, the RR ratio remains strong, and HTF bias, HH, is firmly bearish. According to Diamond Hand discipline, we do not panic close before the hard SL is hit, especially when CVD supports the short side. Observation. Price is currently hovering around the VWAP core, but a significant divergence is appearing. Perp CVD slope is aggressively negative, while price remains stagnant, indicating bearish absorption, where limit sellers are absorbing all market buy orders. Hypothesis. Smart money is utilizing the VWAP core as a distribution zone, trapping late buyers before a liquidity flush toward the fib out and the deep trap. Devil's advocate, the current price is slightly above the entry, and the OB is only slightly negative, suggesting the downward momentum hasn't fully ignited yet. A break above VWAP up SD would invalidate the short-term bearish structure. Verdict, the HTF bias, HH, remains firmly bearish. Given the strong perp CVD divergence and the healthy RR ratio, the most disciplined action is to hold the diamond hand position and wait for the absorption to complete. Observation: price is currently oscillating around the VWAP core with a slight bullish tilt. A notable divergence exists. Perp CVD slope is strongly negative, while spot CVD slope is positive, indicating that perpetual sellers are aggressive but spot buyers are absorbing the pressure. Ask walls are clustered tightly creating immediate overhead resistance. Hypothesis: this is a classic absorption phase. Smart money is likely using the perp-driven selling to shake out weak hands while maintaining a ceiling. As long as the price remains below the Fibonacci level and the HEMA, the macro bearish bias remains dominant. Devil's advocate: the positive spot CVD slope is a warning sign. If spot buying transforms into a trend and breaks the psychological barrier, the current short position will be trapped. However, the OB does not yet show extreme bullish imbalance. Verdict: the trade is currently in a drawdown, but the RR ratio remains highly favorable. There. Terminating monologue for tactical focus. Observation: price is currently trading above the VWAP core. Both spot and perp CVD slopes are positive, indicating active short-term buying pressure. Hypothesis: given the H and HHTF bias remains bearish, this upward drift is likely a liquidity hunt targeting short stop clusters before the primary trend resumes. Devil's advocate: the positive CVD slope is a contradictory signal. If price breaches the fib level with strong volume, the short thesis is invalidated and the risk of a trend reversal increases. Verdict: maintain the position. The current RR ratio is approximately, which is well above the minimum requirement. The stop loss remains the hard boundary. No physical evidence of a structural trend reversal exists to justify an early exit. Observation: price is currently at trading above the VWAP core. A critical divergence is observed. Spot CVD slope is negative, while perp CVD slope is strongly positive, indicating that the current price lift is driven by derivatives rather than spot accumulation. Hypothesis: this is a classic liquidity hunt. Smart money is likely triggering short stop cascades to clear the board before continuing the HTF bearish trend, H bias, bearish. Devil's advocate: the aggressive perp CVD could signal a genuine short squeeze. If the price breaks and closes above the HEMA, the bearish thesis is invalidated. Verdict: the current RR ratio is well above the threshold. Since the stop loss has not been hit and there is no physical evidence of a trend reversal, spot CVD is still bearish. The diamond hands discipline dictates holding the position. Observation: price is currently oscillating around the VWAP core with a neutral OB. However, the spot CVDM slope is significantly negative, indicating aggressive spot selling despite the price stability. Hypothesis: smart money is utilizing the VWAP area to absorb minor retail buybacks while maintaining a heavy distribution bias. The alignment of H bearish bias suggests this is a corrective pause before a continuation toward the deep trap. Devil's advocate: the current price is slightly above the fib level, and the unrealized PNL is negative. A break above the HEMA would invalidate the immediate bearish structure and suggest a liquidity hunt toward the upper VWAP bands. Verdict: the physical evidence, spot CVD plus HTF bias, strongly supports the short side. The current SL is positioned safely below the HEMA and provides sufficient room, approximately ATR, from current price to avoid noise, while maintaining an RR ratio greater than. Hold for target. Observation: spot CVD slope is negative, while perp CVD slope is positive, plus, indicating a clear divergence where spot sellers are absorbing perp buyers. Price is currently trading below the VWAP core and remains under the HEMA. Hypothesis: smart money is distributing via spot markets, while retail is attempting to scalp longs in the perpetuals. Given the bearish HTF bias, this is a classic distribution phase leading to a further slide toward the value area low, VAL. Devil's advocate: the positive perp CVD could trigger a short-term liquidity hunt, short squeeze, toward the VWAP core or the fib level, but without spot confirmation, any rally is likely a dead cat bounce. Verdict: the current RR ratio is significantly above the threshold. The TP it is a high confluence zone, swing low plus VWAP/SD. No physical evidence justifies an early exit or SL adjustment at this stage. Observation: perp CVD slope is aggressively negative, and spot CVD is bearish, coinciding with a strong _bear_ momentum, delta divergence. Price is currently trading below the VWAP core. Hypothesis: institutional selling is dominating the order flow. The current minor price fluctuation is a liquidity trap for late longs before a continuation move toward the value area low. Devil's advocate: OB is slightly positive, suggesting some retail absorption at the bid, but the volume is insufficient to counter the aggressive perp CVD selling pressure. Verdict: the bearish structure is intact across HTF, HH, and LTF. No physical evidence of reversal exists. Maintain diamond hands discipline. Observation: price is currently trading above the VWAP core. Perp CVD slope is aggressively positive, and buy pressure is high, indicating strong short-term bullish momentum. Hypothesis: aggressive buyers are absorbing passive sell orders, OB, likely attempting to hunt liquidity above the current cluster and test the HEMA. Devil's advocate: while short-term momentum is bullish, the HTF, HH, bias remains strictly bearish. The current rally lacks a fundamental shift in HTF structure and appears to be a corrective bounce or a stop run. Verdict: the current RR ratio is PTS reward, PTS risk, which is well above the minimum. According to the Diamond Hands protocol, the default action is to hold until the predefined SL or TP is hit. No physical evidence of a full trend reversal is present to justify an early exit. No physical evidence of a full trend reversal is present to justify an early exit. Observation: price is currently hovering at the fib level, while perp CVD slope is aggressively positive, plus, and spot CVD is rising. No physical evidence of a full trend reversal is present to justify an early exit. Market buying and heavy limit sell walls at the range. Hypothesis: the aggressive perp CVD suggests a short-term squeeze attempt, but the negative OB and HTF bearish bias, HH, suggest institutional absorption is occurring. Smart money is likely allowing retail to push the price up before a mean reversion dip to the VWAP core. Devil's advocate: the strong bull momentum delta divergence could be a genuine trend reversal. If the price breaks and closes above the HEMA with sustained volume, the mean reversion hypothesis is invalidated. Verdict: I will not chase the current price, avoiding the middle of the trend. I will place a limit buy at the confluence of the VWAP core and fib to capture a high probability bounce targeting the VWAP upper SD.